Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I share with you how you can make pancakes. So for this recipe, you'll be needing liquid milk or powdered milk, vanilla essence, some eggs, all-purpose flour, salt, and sugar. So I'll be leaving the full recipe, or rather the full ingredients, in the description box. So make sure you check that out if you are planning to make this for your kids or for your family this festival period. So in my bowl, I've added some milk, some liquid warm milk. So I'm going in with some vanilla essence. That vanilla essence is very important because it gives it a very unique taste and it's very nice. So I'm going to crack in one egg. So depending on how much pancakes you're making, you can always adjust the ingredients. So I'm going in, I've added in the egg. I'm trying to mix this up. Make sure you mix this very well before going in with your dry ingredients. So I'll mix this up and set it aside. Then I'll start working with my dry ingredients. For my dry ingredients, I'm using all-purpose flour, some baking powder, sugar, and salt. So I've just added in my baking powder into my sieve. Make sure you sieve your dry ingredients so that you don't have lumps. So I'm sieving my all-purpose flour and my baking powder now. So I'm going to sieve my dry ingredients, and I'll combine it very well before pouring it into the wet ingredients. So once I was done with combining the dried ingredients, I poured it into the wet ingredients and I combined the two really well. You don't have to worry about the lumps. The lumps is going to dissolve once you start frying these pancakes, okay? So just make sure that you look out for the consistency, which is not thick and which is also not watery. It should be moderate, okay? So that you get a very smooth pancake. So for frying this pancake, you need vegetable oil or ghee or butter, whichever one that is preferable to you. So I'm using vegetable oil. So I've gone in to add my butter into my pan, which is already on the fire. So make sure you're doing this on a low heat so that you don't get your pancake burnt. So I've just added in my butter into the pan, and I'll allow one side to fry before I flip it over to the other side. So guys, if you've watched up to this stage, I believe you're enjoying watching it. So please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like for more videos, for more content like this, and see you in my next one. So my pancake was ready. You can enjoy this with maple syrup or honey, but I love to enjoy mine with honey. So I'm going to be drizzling some honey on the pancake, and I'm going to be enjoying this. My family love it and I also love it as well. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next one.